In this lecture, you are going to learn how to change the default color scheme of a PowerPoint presentation and also how to format the background of a slide. To change the default color scheme, go to Design and go to Variants, expand it, choose Colors, and then you can choose different color schemes here. Let me choose blue-green. You can also notice that when I change from one theme to another, all the colors change respectively. Notice the color of our heading line, the subtitle, and the colors used in shapes. Now let me finalize this blue-green color preset. Now let me show you where the change of color happens. When I go to Drawing Tools Format tab, when I go to Shape Fill or Text Fill or Shape Outline or Text Outline, you can see the entire color palette has got changed. These are standard colors, whereas these are theme colors. So wherever you use theme colors, those colors change respectively whenever you change a color scheme. But whenever you use standard colors, those colors will remain same across any color scheme. Okay, now let's learn how to change the background of a slide or how to format the background of a slide. Go to Design and choose Format Background. You can either add a solid fill color or a gradient fill or a picture fill or a pattern fill. But here in this slide, I would like to add a gradient fill. You don't need to play around with a lot of options here. You can just go with any of these preset colors because they look awesome once you have changed the color schemes. Let me choose this Top Spotlight Accent 5 preset. See, the effect is awesome here. If you want to customize this, then just choose this Stop 3 under this gradient and choose some other gray like this one. This adds a nice and premium touch to our slide. This is how you can change the color scheme and format the background of the slide. In the next lecture, we are going to use all the skills that you have learned till now. We are going to put it all together and complete designing the slide 1 of this PowerPoint presentation.